Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you, pointing towards a man. A woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is the woman related to the man? And as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you will be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So you should get a pedigree like this. So he's a woman who is married to a man. They have a daughter who is also married to a man, and they have a son. So now let's read our problem again. Pointing towards a man, a woman said. So we are talking about this woman, and she's pointing at this man, basically at her son, and she's saying, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. Again, she's saying his mother is the only daughter of my mother. So this woman is a mother of this man. Very easy problem. But again, some people saying, why, for example, being the only daughter, it doesn't mean the only child. So we can put here, say, another brother here. We cannot put another sibling who is going to be a sister of this woman, because we are told that the only daughter of my mother. So the only woman who pointing at this man would be a mother of this man. And again, what if, for example, some people may say, if we would have another sibling here who is going to be male, and can he talk about another male, about his mother, the only daughter? No, we cannot put another sibling here, brother of this female, because here in the problem we said that pointing towards a man, a woman said. So there is no any brothers here, because a woman said means that only this woman in this pedigree can talk like this, that his mother is only daughter of my mother. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.